everyone, thanks for joining me for another video. Well, as you can see, I got my intention box from Cloth and Paper in the mail yesterday, and I just saw the notification today when I opened up my email, and of course I had to run outside. And so I just wanted to go ahead and just share with you my take on all the things that are in here. All right, so I'm gonna take everything out of here. What I do love is that the box, look, it had this pretty green. This green is gorge. So I've been looking at everything on Instagram, and I think everything is just beautiful. They challenged me though with the red. When it was time to get the intention box with the red, I felt a little challenged because y'all know I'm a neutrals girl, right? But it's okay. Challenge accepted. I embrace the red. I embrace the red. All right, so let's open up. Okay, let me know if you are getting this box. Just let me know below if you are getting this box. I am interested. I'm thinking this box should be a sellout. I think so. Okay, I'm looking for the what's inside card. Okay, it's in here. Here we go. Here we go. All right. So Cloth and Paper, they changed up their what's inside card, if you haven't noticed. And I absolutely love this. So you receive this Polaroid of a photo, you know, some type of photo, and then some type of writing on here. Sante. And so this is, this says July 2025 meal planning routine. And this is what's in here. That is going to look so good in my planner. I love this. All right. I'm going to pull this over here to the side. All right. So there's a dashboard that says meet me at 5. And y'all, you know what? This is right up my alley. My husband just told me, this is a side note. He was like, can you remember the last time you cooked? And I was like, no. Is that important? He's going to love this box for me. Meal planning. So this says, meet me at 5, Cloth and Paper. No need for a script, just a seat at the table, a moment to unwind. A beautiful meal isn't just about the recipe. It's the way it all flows together. Intuition, subtle details, that effortless kind of charm. A candle flickers, a bottle sighs as it's uncorked, and suddenly something stirs. Not because everything is perfect, but because it simply feels right. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I love this. Bon appetit. It's like a la carte. Okay, very good. And I got this for my HP Mini. All right, so that is Meet Me at 5 dashboard. Next, y'all know I'm going to slaughter this La Joie. Okay. I know, I wish we had it where, you know, y'all could talk back to me and just tell me how to say it. I'll go on Cloth and Paper and watch a video. Okay, so this is a pretty green. I like how all of these things, look at these colors, all these colors. These are beautiful. There's something special about this hour, the soft glow, the anticipation of a moment, the unhurried rhythm that follows. Make the space yours, set the table your way, and let your routine unfold naturally. And that's embossed. Look at that. It's pretty. Okay. And these dashboards are like really functional. Really functional. What I mean, there's not a lot of color, not a lot of picture. I love the writing. And so I'm sitting here thinking, like, what kind of vellum can I place over that? All right, next it's experience tracker inserts. Would this be it right here? No, it's not. This is the Habits Fold Out Planner insert. So this is a fold out insert. So you can write your habits right here. And then for the month, you can just check it off or, you know, check X, whatever, use dots if, and that's a good thing, guys. If y'all are like me and you have a lot of stationery, this is how you can start using it. Because I don't know if you remember, but Aisha said that basically if you don't use it, you're going to lose it. Yeah, she said the stickers don't last forever. And so for all of those who are like me and we hoard, let's try to get our little dots and maybe we can just use them right here. But you write the habits right here. So that's month 1. So basically for 2 months, habits. So this is a habits fold out planner insert. I'm definitely going to use this. All right, now we can look at the experience tracker inserts. Let's see. All right, this is it right here. So it has name, category, location, and review. So this is great, guys. So I don't know if you know this or care, but I like to consider myself a foodie. Like I love going to try different types of restaurants and different types of foods. And I love trying different types of foods. We like to find different restaurants to go try. Just last month, really for the last couple of months, we've been to 3 different places to try seafood paella. And y'all know seafood paella is expensive, but we enjoyed going to those different places. So I like that you can just name, category, location, review. It has a circle right here. You can choose and then you can write about it. So let's see. They gave us a demo in the back. So this is like what kind of bistro it is. Location, Paris, France, jealous. And then here's a review, a charming, intimate bistro. Look at this, perfect for a romantic dinner. So they gave this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gave it a 5. Oh yeah, I am excited about this. I'm definitely going to use that. Okay, next, checklist notepad. Oh, and can I tell you, if you don't, so what I do love about cloth and paper, so if you're a person that says, you know, I got a few kids, I don't get to go out to eat, and I don't get to try different restaurants. I'm thinking also you can just use this at home. So if you are one of those at-home chefs, you know, that's what I like to call myself sometimes, but you're an at-home chef and you are trying out different recipes, I think it's great that you can go ahead and put the name of the recipe, you know, what's the category, if it was, you know, like the entree, you know, the meat, the vegetables or whatever. Location could be home. It could be at your mother-in-law's house. And then you could give a review of the recipe that you tried. And you can also say over here, like, what would you add to it? Because a lot of times when I'm cooking and I'm tasting the flavors of what they, you know, what they suggested, and I'm like, and next time I'm just going to whip in a little sour cream in here. Or next time I'm going to use a little smoked Gouda. So you can use this in a different way. Okay. Also, I'm just going off the dome here. You can also use this for a movie review. So it doesn't necessarily have to be used the way cloth and paper has it. You can do it if you're a movie buff, if you're a concert person, you love going to concerts, you can use this for the different concerts and write a review. You can also, guys, use this for maybe a little memory keeping, where you can put a little picture right here. I'm still going on and on, right? Like if you are a book reader, you can write the review of the book and then put a picture of the book right here, or a picture of the book right here and the review right here. I'm just saying that start looking at these inserts that we have and you're like, I don't go out to dinner, I don't go out to eat. Just find a different way that you can use it. I feel like I was on a soapbox for a moment, right? It's all good. Let me put this in here. But I think I'm going to use it for restaurants. Thinking so. Okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I was on the checklist notepad before I started going in about how to use this. Okay. This is the checklist notepad. This looks like one of those notepads, of course, when they would come and say, may I take your order? Or they would not, no. I'll take your order. When you finish eating, y'all, there are some places like IHOP that still does this. But when you finish, they write down what you want. When you finish eating, they hand it to you and say, this is how much you owe. But you can definitely use this as a checklist. I love this too. And look, the paper is good. Okay, love that. All right, let's see what's next. Spotlight stickers. Y'all, I thought these were quite lovely. Oh my gosh, look at this. Spotlight stickers. Okay. Yeah, look at this. This is beautiful green stripes. And you receive 3 of these. Make sure, yeah. You got 3 with all different sizes. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pinstripes. Gorgeous. Move this over here. Make sure y'all can see everything. All right, next, page pins. Don't you love how everything just flows and goes together? Here we go right here, cloth and paper, page pins. These are short ones. These colors are beautiful. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This will also go with my new, is it clay? It's the brown one. It's clay. I got from the sample sale. Y'all, these are cute. Eclipse bookmark set. Multicolors. Look at these. So cute. Oh, yeah. That's a good old snap for you. These are cute. I love these colors. Love, love, love. And then the Sante journaling card. An invitation to linger, to savor, to enjoy. And it's tables here with tablecloths. Good. This is a very good card. And then September pocket calendar. Oh my gosh. So the one thing that cloth and paper does is make me anxious about these dates. I'm just saying, the year is going by so fast, so quickly. All right, and then next we have pins. I like to save these two. Chosen for capturing analog moments. Yeah. Okay, so here's the pins. Ooh, nice. Okay, we got Tombow 992. Y'all, I cannot tell you how many, you can't even see it, how many 992s I have in here. This is my favorite one. This is perfect. So I don't, here, I want to test it on something. This is what the 992 looks like. Beautiful. And this pen is gorgeous. It's a Pentel. Let's see. Look at that. Look at the tip. Okay, let's see. Oh, here we go with this desk again, y'all. Just a little smear, but I love how it writes. Deep dark black. That's gorgeous. Love it, love it. And I love the color. Look at this color. This is gorgeous. All right, y'all. So that is it for the intention box from Cloth and Paper. And I'm excited about this July box. Everything in it I'll use, and I love all of the colors. So let me know down below if you received the box. If you did, what was your favorite item? I think I'm going to say my favorite item are these Eclipse bookmark set. This right here. These are adorable. And the reason why I'm loving these, because when you have a smaller planner, like your CP Petite or your smaller, your CP Petite notebook, these are perfect. They're perfect. And so I think this is my favorite. Yeah. All right. So let me know what your favorite is. Thank you again for joining me. If you have any questions, let me know. And that's it, guys. So see you later. Don't forget, take charge of your life one plan at a time. Bye.